Welcome to Quran English Translation. We will read one verse a day.
Assalamu alaikum. Today, we reflect on Surah An-Nisa 147, which reminds us of the essence of forgiveness and unity in Islam. In this powerful verse, Allah says, "What will Allah do with your punishment if you are grateful and believe? And ever is Allah appreciative and knowing." As Muslims, we are encouraged to embrace forgiveness, not only for the sake of others but also for our own spiritual growth. Forgiveness is a noble virtue that brings us closer to Allah and strengthens the bond among our community. It is a means to heal wounds, mend broken relationships, and promote harmony. Additionally, unity plays a significant role in Islam. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, "The believers, in their mutual love, mercy, and compassion, are like a body. If one part of it feels pain, the rest of the body will suffer." Unity is essential for the progress and prosperity of our ummah. It enables us to face challenges collectively and fosters a sense of belonging and togetherness. In a world filled with divisions, the teachings of Islam guide us towards forgiveness and unity. Let us strive to be grateful to Allah, show forgiveness to others, and embrace unity within our community. By doing so, we uphold the principles of our faith and contribute to a more harmonious society. Jazak Allah khair for watching this video. If you found it beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Islamic content. May Allah bless you all.